In this video, I'll show you how to connect Tonkeeper to Telegram. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone and unlock your wallet using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Make sure you are using the wallet you want to connect, especially if you have more than one wallet inside Tonkeeper. Before connecting anything, also make sure your Telegram app is installed and updated. You should be logged into the Telegram account you want to use with Tonkeeper. Now open Tonkeeper and look for the Browser, Discover, or Apps section. This area lets you connect your Tonkeeper wallet to Ton apps and services. Depending on your app version, you may also see a Connect Wallet option when using a Ton service inside Telegram. Next, open Telegram and go to the Ton app, bot, game, marketplace, or service that asks you to connect a wallet. For example, some Telegram mini apps allow you to connect a Ton wallet for payments, tokens, NFTs, rewards, or account verification. When the Telegram app asks you to connect a wallet, choose Tonkeeper from the list of available wallets. If Tonkeeper is installed on the same phone, Telegram should open Tonkeeper automatically or show a connection request. Now review the connection request inside Tonkeeper. You may see the name of the app or service that wants to connect to your wallet. Read the details carefully before approving. Connecting your wallet may allow the app to view your public wallet address, but it should not give the app access to your recovery phrase or private keys. If everything looks correct, tap Connect or Approve in Tonkeeper. After approval, you may be taken back to Telegram automatically. The Telegram app or bot should now show that your Tonkeeper wallet is connected. If Tonkeeper does not open automatically, copy the connection link from Telegram, open Tonkeeper manually, or check whether your phone is asking which app should open the link. For safety, only connect Tonkeeper to trusted Telegram apps and bots. Never enter your recovery phrase into Telegram, a website, or a bot. Your recovery phrase should stay private and offline at all times. To disconnect later, open the connected app settings in Tonkeeper or inside the Telegram service, then choose Disconnect Wallet if the option is available. And that's how you connect Tonkeeper to Telegram. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.